Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic, the power of sneezes. Believe it or not, sneezing can be incredibly potent, and we're going to explore why. Whenever you sneeze, your respiratory tract is subjected to a high-pressure environment. This powerful burst of air can force germs from your system, clearing out any harmful substances that may be causing you trouble. So, the next time you sneeze, remember that it's not just a reflex action, it's a natural defense mechanism that cleanses your body in its own unique way. Isn't that fascinating? The power of sneezing is truly remarkable, so the next time you find yourself clearing your throat or feeling a sneeze coming on, don't suppress it, embrace it. Who knows what incredible force lies within those little hiccups? Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of sneezes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those sneezes coming.